As you can see here, I have a GM small block Chevy throttle body intake. This one's off a 93 Chevy pickup, a truck I used to have. And I wanted to see if I could grind it to fit on pre-86 heads. So I did that today and was successful. I'll let you take a look at it. There's a closer look. This might be easier if you had a mill of some sort, but I just did it with a die grinder and a carbide cutter for aluminum. And first I drilled the holes out to match an older intake, and then basically ground the upper flange flat to where it's perpendicular to the head surface so the bolt seats correctly. And this side turned out pretty nice. The other side's not as good, but I'll show you anyway. The passenger side here is a little harder to get your carbide in there, but it still turned out pretty good, and this will work just fine. This is just on a mock-up engine, just so I could bolt everything up and make sure it fit. So anyway, I re-drilled the holes to the correct angle, perpendicular to the head, and then ground the flanges flat here, so everything bolts up nice. And now if I wanted to run this intake on older engine or older heads, I could do that. Anyway, just want to let you guys know there's enough material to grind away to do this, and it should seal up nicely. There's a view of all four, and once this thing was repainted or cleaned up, it would look pretty factory. So someday I might get a chance to use it, otherwise it's just going to hang on the wall for now.